Twitter pauses new verifications after getting flooded with requests. But the social media giant promises that it'll reopen requests soon. But what really happened in a week since they opened the verification requests after 4 years? That's what we're gonna find out. It's a small graphic, but it's a big deal to many people. Twitter's verified symbol, the little blue check mark, tells the world you are who you say you are. After reopening its verification program last week, Twitter is apparently overrun with applications for the coveted icon. On Friday, the social media company said it's hitting pause on accepting new requests while it works through its backlog of unprocessed requests. The pause comes just days after Twitter restarted its verification program, which it shut down in 2017 amid controversy surrounding what, exactly, the symbol represented. Some saw the mark as tacit approval by the company of those they bestowed it on, including some users later identified as white supremacists. It's all about Twitter temporarily closes applications for blue ticks. I hope you like this video. Don't worry, Twitter promises to reopen the closed applications for blue ticks, but we don't know when. If any official news declares from Twitter, then I will definitely post an update video. So, stay tuned.